Alright, you guys, so we are right here with the USS Cairo. Now, unfortunately, the actual museum is closed, but the outside exhibit is open to the public. So we're going to go take a tour of that and just kind of get an idea of what the ship was, or how the ship was, and how it came about for being sunk. So hopefully you guys are enjoying this video. Now, the USS Cairo was commissioned in 1862. It was sunk after being hit by a torpedo December 12th, 1862, and was later recovered out of the Yangtze River December 12th, 1864. So 2 years later, they brought it out of the water and is now a tourist attraction for people to be able to view the boat that once roamed the river. Yeah.
What are you doing in the boat?
Huh?
What are you doing on that boat?
This was part of the Civil War battle, baby.
Oh. No, what are you doing in that boat?
Those are cannons.
Oh. They shoot people on the
water.
On the other boat and shoot them?
Yeah.
Oh. And get them off on the boat?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. That's weird. What? See people on that boat? People on that boat? I want to see what's in there. What's in that boat? Oh, I'm waiting at you. Go back.
Come here, baby.
What's that thing? Ooh. Let's stick that there.
Those, I couldn't even tell you. The boats back then are different from now, baby.
Oh my God. You guys gotta be careful under there, Mom. Or Daddy.
Yep.
Yeah.
Here, look, baby. Come here.
You gotta be careful under there.
See? All that stuff is from the water when it was torpedoed and sunk.
And someone shoot it.
Yeah, it was shot in the water.
Yep, they got shot in the water.
Mm-hmm.
And there's cannons under. Cannons go under the water.
Mm-hmm. No, cannons were on the boats, baby. See? Look. Right here. Right here, baby.
I know what you're talking about. I know what you're talking about. I know what you're talking about.
They steered the ship.
There's more.
See?
Like in being up here?
No. Look, see, baby? This is all the water damage from the boat.
Did the water touch the people?
No, baby.
I don't know why that had cracks. Hey, look. You get up there.
Yeah?
You get up there, Daddy. Somebody's up there. Hey, look.
Huh? I see it, baby. Hold on.
No, there's a hole. There. Hey. That is cool. Hey, that's a cool boat. They should have shown me what to do in that boat.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
They're gonna shoot people?
No, it was used in naval attacks during the Civil War. So the Union ship.
My mommy was flying these That made it out. And you can't get out if you're a mom. Look at that computer in my phone.
Chicken.
Good thing that's a new piece of work. Yeah, good thing it's new piece of work. Yeah, I agree.
Kicking. Kicking. So you guys, I hope that you guys are enjoying the video and all the great content that I'm bringing to you guys, as well as videos walking through USS Cairo, and just kind of give an idea of how the ship looked back then, and kind of still can kind of see some of the damages from a torpedo that sunk the ship back during the Civil War. But I'm going to go ahead and get ready to walk across the street to the National Cemetery, and then from there I'll check back in with you guys. Thank you again for all the support. Love you guys. Make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe to my channel. Talk to you guys in just a few minutes.